Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make a distance measurement circuit with the help of Arduino Uno. The simulator in which we are making this type of circuit is the picsimlab. So here on the screen on the desktop you can see this picsimlab simulator. So double click on it. Now we can see that we have got our Arduino microcontroller. Now we can go to its module section. We can click on spare parts. Okay, and here we have to go and we have to search for our ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so we will go in the inputs and here we will search for it. So here it is, that is ultrasonic HCSR04. So now this is our ultrasonic sensor. Here in this ultrasonic sensor we have two parts. One is the transmitter, ultrasonic transmitter, and one is the ultrasonic receptor. Okay, so now we have to connect our ultrasonic sensor with the pins of Arduino Uno. So there are 4 pins of ultrasonic sensor. We can right click on it. We can go to its properties. So we just need to connect its trigger pin and echo pin. Trigger pin must be connected with that of pin number 9 of Arduino Uno. Okay, let me see. Okay, so we can go for pin number 9, and here echo pin with that of pin number 10. Okay, wait, let me. Okay, so this is our 10, and both are like PWM pins. So this is our circuit diagram. Click on OK. Now physically our sensor is connected with that of Arduino Uno. Now we can go and we can take, because we want to see the output, so better is to go to virtual, go to virtual terminal, and this is our virtual terminal, that is serial monitor. So we can see our values in it. So like this. Okay, we can right click on it, go to its properties. So RX must be connected with that of 0 and TX with that of 1. So where is 1? So this is our 1. So like this. Now our sensor is so our virtual terminal has been connected. Now we can go to Arduino IDE, and here we can go to its file. We can click on new sketch and let it open for us. So this is a right setup. So first on the top we have to define 2 variables, that is constant trig underscore pin. Now we have declared a variable, that is trig underscore pin, and we have stored the variable the number or integer 9 inside it. So wherever we will write this trig underscore pin, it simply means it is representing letter 9 or integer 9. Okay, and same for trig pin and echo pin, echo pin, and so long duration, long dur means that we have to store our duration, because it is based upon the duration detection. Okay, that if ultrasonic waves come in from very short distance, okay, so their duration will be like less, and if they are like coming from a large distance, or if we are getting echo from a large distance, so its duration must be greater. So that is why we have declared a variable, that is long dur. Now we have to write in dist underscore centimeter. So what is this? So dist underscore centimeter. So obviously we need a variable in which we can store our distance measurement or distance finding. So we will store our answer inside this variable. Okay, and integer is obviously its data type, as you know all. So in void setup we can go and we will declare our pin mode function. And what pin mode function will do, it will just like declare is an input or output, a pin input or output. So trick pin comma output. So here we can write, even we can write 9, okay, if we like. So here we write output and echo pin as input because it will receive the reflected signal. So it will write echo pin comma output input. So sorry, it is input, like this. After this has been done, we will go to while loop, and here we will write is write. Now we will write something on both of our pins, that is digital write trick pin comma low. So first we will set our trick pin, trick underscore pin is low, okay, and then okay, so trick pin trig underscore pin is low. Then we can go and we have to declare certain delay in it. So we write delay microseconds, delay microseconds of 2. So we have declared a 2 microsecond delay, and then we will make it high. So this pulse will actually generate certain high pulse on what's called as the ultrasonic sensor. So it is digital write trick pin comma high. Then we will go and we will generate a delay of 10 microseconds. And then we will make again our trick pin low. So this will complete our transmission side, okay. Then we will go and we will write dur is equal to dur is equal to pulse in pulse in of echo pin comma high, echo underscore echo pin comma high. After this has been done, we will write echo pin comma high, and then our next thing is dist underscore centimeter is equal to dist underscore centimeter is equal to dur multiply by. Now we will multiply this duration with that of dur multiply by 0.034 divided by 2. 0.034 divided by 2. Okay. So now this our and then we write serial dot print ln test underscore centimeter. So we will write distance. And one more thing that we have to declare here, serial dot begin 9600, because we have to declare our serial communication protocol. So here it is. And one more thing that we have to write serial dot println distance. So it will be written as it is. Okay, distance is equal to, so like this, and here we will write delay of 2000 so that we can have a delay of 2000. So now we run it out. Okay, the side trig underscore pin. Okay, so here we have written this, we have forgot this underscore, again trig. Okay, again here we have forgot. Okay, so it is done. Here we can see that we got our hex file August 21 ino.hex. so here it is, here it is, that is, okay, ino.hex. so this is our link from this to this. So now we will go to C user DCS app data. Okay, now we will go manually C users DCS app data local temp, okay, and arduino. So where it is, so here it is, arduino sketches and 21 August, and we got our hex file here. So we can copy it out, we can paste it here on our desktop, paste here, we can go to file and load hex, and on desktop we can have this file, that is 21st of August. So this is our file. So now can we run it out? Yes, we can run it out. Yes. So this is our distance. So distance 392. Yes, it is a bit okay. So distance 355, although a little bit difference, but still it is okay. Now we can measure our distance with the help of this, circuit. Okay, so now we can reduce or increase the distance slider, and we got our answer on the serial monitor. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can measure the distance with the help of Arduino Uno and ultrasonic sensor. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.